Farm Beach Resort's Mandaya House room tour. Our family stayed here at the Mandaya House in Pearl Farm Beach Resort, Davao last October 11 to 13, 2024. 3 days and 2 nights. We loved how spacious the room is, perfect for families, and its close proximity to the Mandaya Pool, one of Pearl Farm's two pools. Although the room needed some minor renovations, taking into consideration that the resort has been open since the 1990s, it felt very cozy and comfortable. For just a family of four, the king-size bed plus a sofa bed can accommodate more people. At night, the resort is so peaceful and quiet, perfect for those who seek rest and relaxation. You can book Pearl Farm Beach Resort through Klook. Use my code TrulyTaraKlook to get a discount. Stay tuned for my full vlog on our Pearl Farm Beach Resort experience. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to know when I have new uploads. See you on the next one.